In this video, I'll show you how to organize your digital product if you're a Notion creator. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, the very first thing you need to do, you need to create a page for your product. So I'm going to open up my page now. So I'm going to tap on this, the last option. So let me say you're creating a product for, let me say for content creation product. So for you to be able to do this, there are things you need to know. You need to enter the detail that is of the name of the product. Second one is the status, whether the product is live, drafted, or still unarchived, right? You need to enter the price. You need to enter the important links. That is it. Then you can be able to use views to filter and sort out products, that is by type or status, or you can be able to add tags and deadlines for each product launches and updates. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.